I'm John Neville, CEO of the CMS Village Project. After decades of the ever-worsening homeless crisis in Vancouver, my friends and I have decided to put an end to it by creating a fully self-sustaining, zero-barrier supportive community. The CMS Village would offer residents 3D printed rent and utility-free homes, advanced recycling and green power generation, and access to the products of some of the world's most advanced technology. The village provides spaces for mental health and supports, low overhead small businesses, safe injection sites, education and skills training, shopping and trading in the CMS mass credit system and marketplace, offering food, items, products, and services. A new internal economy designed to monetize everything recyclable in a way that generates income streams for the residents and the village itself, while actively benefiting the environment. How, you ask? Currently, 70 to 80% of what you put in a blue box ends up in the ocean or landfills because it's not profitable enough to recycle conventionally. What if profit didn't matter? What if everything you threw away or recycled was sequestered away from the environment safely by being blended, melted, and printed into some thing while creating income for you and your community? By monetizing the millions of tons of valuable raw materials literally polluting our cities and oceans in the form of garbage, we can sequester carbon in the structures of the village, take any old materials or products, and reprocess them into energy. New useful items, everything from socks to turbines. Allowing us to create an advanced 3D printed community that houses the homeless, cleans up its host city, relieves huge pressures from mental health and hospital services, reduces crime rates, and actively improves the environment. A community that supports itself, its residents, and its host city. A genuine solution that is a win-win for everyone from every level of society.
To help us bring this solution to the world, you can visit our GoFundMe, like and follow our Facebook pages, where you can find more information on how we plan on doing this at 1/1000th the cost and in 1/100th the time. Would you like to know more? Click here.